So today I will be rebuilding my motorized bicycle based on your comments. And there are a couple wild ones because I failed so miserably in the last episode. So the first thing I wanted to get done is to drain out all the gas because I need to make it leaner. I actually thought that the gas was too rich, and I was actually correct. You're supposed to run it leaner with this type of carburetor. It's a HP carburetor. So I'm going to have to lean it out, but first I'm going to have to drain out all the gas out of the gas tank. So basically I'm letting the water bottle fill up with gasoline. And as you can see, I put way too much oil in the gasoline. That's too rich of a mixture because it shouldn't be green like this. So that's one of the main problems I did realize. Now, I thought it would, but it got confirmed by the comment that I put too much. So I'm going to lean it out. Okay, so I finally drained all the gas out of the gas tank. And that I didn't really have much left. So I got a lot of comments on how much oil I should be mixing with the fuel. So for these engines, I had good experiences with 4-to-1 ratio. So I got my 2.6 fluid ounces in this makeshift measuring cup to make it a 40-to-1 ratio. There we go. So I had a lot of people comment and tell me which jet I should use, and some people said 72, some people said 65. So I already have a 65 in there, so I'm just thinking about leaving it like that. But if that doesn't work, I'll use a 72. So I spent the next couple of hours trying to take the back tire off so I could get the smaller sprocket on. So this is my new 36 tooth sprocket that I'm going to put on these 26-inch wheels. I hope that this would work. It was a big pain to take off the 40 tooth sprocket, but hopefully this should do a whole lot better. .36 tooth sprocket. The tension though. First test of the bike. So I'm going to be taking off the air filter. I'm going to be switching the jet out to a 70. People said 72, but I don't have a 72, I have a 70. So I got it to go to 27 miles per hour by taking off the air filter and changing the jet to from a 65 to a 70. So yes, it goes a whole lot faster. But I'm thinking about changing it to a 75 to see if that would do any better. Because even though 70 is closer to 72, maybe if I just make it a 75, it should work a little better. That 75 bumped me up to 28 miles per hour compared to the 26 I had when I first started.
So now there was only 2 comments left. So let's start off with the easiest one.
Oh, this is actually
So this comment basically suggests that I should add a chainsaw cylinder to the motorized bike for better compression.
However, this chainsaw doesn't work. Get this handle off here. There it is. That's the piston head. That piston. Okay, so I'm going to actually get the exhaust and the carburetor off them. Okay guys, so I finally got the piston cylinder out, and I'm going to see if I'm able to put it on my motorized bike. I believe that this will work because all the screws and stuff are too small, and I do not believe that it could fit. The exhaust is also a square and the intake is a weird shape, so I do not believe that it will work. So I did all that work for nothing. I'm disappointed. However, I might try to find something else to do with this and all the other chainsaw parts.
Now it's time for one of the craziest comments that was left on my video. So I did some research. Yep, it seems like it checked out.
It would look cooler with rockets strapped to it. I think I could do that.